Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Okay, for today, you need to count first how many cupcakes are given and then write down the answer into the box given. Alright, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, write down 14 here. Alright, let's continue to page number 2. How many marble in jar? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 50. Alright, write down 50 here. Okay, finish your homework by coloring, okay? See you next class. Bye.